Hello, this is the Dawdling Engineer, and today is actually the e-journal entry for what I did on Tuesday. I do not want to continue releasing these videos late, however the tasks that I want to complete Thursday on the competition rocket require processes and time that are just not available in the classroom. So this video will be done this weekend. This project is getting super close to completion and the real fun is just around the corner. Enough said, let's get started. For Tuesday, the main goal as a class required each team to submit a parts list to the teacher so that any missing components from our design could be ordered as soon as possible. My complete list included the Cesaroni motor components, a carabiner, and a 32-inch plastic parachute. Having the plastic parachute was not in the original design of the rocket. However, it was the only material that I could find with the correct size and even made the digital render a few grams lighter. So, just a little extra bonus there. After submitting my parts list, I started on the final piece of the build, the paint job. Due to the decision to stain my fins and nose cone, I had to take extra time in protecting the wood elements that were not supposed to be painted. To protect the couplers from primer, I cut 2 plastic bags and taped them tightly around the inner tube. After that, I moved on to the most time-consuming part of preparation, masking the fins. Despite the job taking more time and tape than I would have wanted, I still managed to cover all of the wood in protective blue material. After masking, I started on the initial primer coat. The job proved more difficult than I expected due to the strong wind that morning, and even spraying with the wind seemed to disperse the primer. Despite this, I managed to use a couple different methods of holding the tubes in place and got enough primer on to even sand away imperfections on the inside and outside of the rocket tubes. In all, today was a very productive day that took me just one step closer to getting my qualification launches underway. Next class period and the weekend that follows should bring the design to an even more complete appearance, and I can't wait. So that's all for today. If you haven't checked out the TARC website, I really encourage it and will leave it in the description below. The American Rocketry Challenge has been a one-of-a-kind experience so far, and it just gets better and better as I continue. Leave a like and a comment if you're participating or considering to participate in TARC. Have advice not only for me, but the community of TARC competitors, and any questions that you want to be answered. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with all of my STEM projects, and I will see you this weekend. Ciao.